Class 10 C question number 7, it is written, by drawing any circle I draw two perpendicular diameter in it. Means we have to draw any circle according to taking any radius. Okay, according to ourselves we can take any radius. I draw four tangents of a circle at four end point of two diameters and write the type of quadrilateral that is formed. Okay, so what they are asking, they are saying that first we have to draw one circle. After drawing one circle we have to draw two perpendicular diameter. Means if this one is circle, then this and this one will be your diameter. I will show you. I draw four tangents, and from end point of four we have to draw four tangents of two diameter, and we have to write the type of a quadrilateral. Okay, let's start doing. Class 10, I am taking 3 centimeter as a radius. Okay, 3 centimeter, because they are not mentioned in the question that what will be the diameter. So I am taking this 3 centimeter and I am drawing one circle. Okay, now you can see this center point. From this center point we will draw two diameter. This one and this one. Okay, two diameter. Now from end point of each diameter we have to draw perpendicular bisector. Means I am giving name A, B, C, D. Okay, from A we will draw, from B, from C, and from D. Now how you will draw? You have to draw 90 degree in each point. Okay, it means that first you will keep your compass in point A and you will draw any arc. According to you, you can draw any arc. Okay, now put your compass in this point, cancel this, then put your compass in this point, cancel this, up and down, then put your compass here, cancel this, means 90 degree. So from this point you will draw one 90 degree. Okay, understood? Same thing you will do in each one. So one by one I am showing you. From C point first I am showing you. Okay, now from B also. So for B I have to keep my copy like this. Now from B point B. Okay, so okay, now from D also. So you can see, after drawing four tangents at the end point of diameter, you are getting shape of square. Can you see this one? Square shape you are getting. So they are asking in the question, you can read the question again. They are asking write the type of quadrilateral, write the type of that is formed. Okay, first give name x, y, z, r. So what you will write, x, y, z, r is a square. Okay, and rx comma xy comma yz comma zr are the tangents from point A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So this one is your answer, and this is question number 7. Okay, so do like this. Okay, this is question number 7. Complete this one. Class 10, read question number 8. It is given, by drawing an equilateral triangle ABC. We have to draw an equilateral triangle, means all sides will be equal with the sides of 5 centimeter, means each side will be 5 centimeter length. A circumcircle of it is drawn. So first we have to draw circumcircle. It means triangle will be inside and circle will be outside. Let us draw the tangents of that circumcircle at the point A, B and C, and we have to draw 3 tangents at the point A, B and C. So let's start doing. First of all, what you will do, you will take 5 centimeter, then draw one straight line. Okay, and take your compass, measure this 5 centimeter. First keep in point this, cut this one will become 5 centimeter, cut up also, and keep your compass here and cut this one, because we have to make which triangle? Equilateral triangle, and equilateral all sides will be equal. So this one 5, when we will join this point with this one also 5, and this one will also 5. So 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, now after doing this, they are telling you, so this is triangle ABC. After doing this, they are asking you to make circumcircle. Now how you will make circumcircle, because you have not done construction of circumcircle, I am showing you. You will take more than half of BC line, cut up and down, means perpendicular bisector we have to make. Again we will keep in this point, cut up and down. So this one is your perpendicular bisector of side BC. Okay, now you will take more than half of AB, again up and down you will cut, and put your compass in point A, cut up and cut this one. Okay, so it will become perpendicular bisector of side AB. Okay, class 10. Now after this, you will take measurement of from intersection point. This is perpendicular bisector of BC and this is perpendicular bisector of AB. So this one is your intersection point of these two perpendicular bisector. You will take measurement of this intersection point with A, and you have to draw one circle. See, in my diagram it is touching A, C, B. If it will touch A, B and C, it means that this is the correct circle. Otherwise it is wrong if it is going outside or inside. Okay, do one thing, you can join this one also. From this point, this is already joined. Okay, Understood up to here? How to make circumcircle? More than half of BC, cut up and down, and put in C, cut up and down. You will get one perpendicular bisector. Again, more than half of AB, cut up and down, cut up and down. You will get another perpendicular bisector. Then from keeping in point, this point intersection point, give O name. O and A you will measure, and keeping your compass in this point only, in point O only, you will make one circumcircle which will touch A, B and C. If it is touching outside or inside, it means you are doing somewhere wrong. Understood up to here? Now they are saying from point A, B and C you have to draw 3 tangents. So how you will do? You will keep your compass in point C. Okay, you will make one arc, then keep your compass in this point. Again make one arc, then again keep your compass here. Do one thing, make it little bit larger, so that after taking from point C, make one arc, then keep in this point and make one arc, then keep in this point and cut like this. Okay, then keep in this point and cut this. Okay, now we will join this point with point C. So this is tangent from the point C. Same thing we will do. We'll first keep compass in point A. We'll make one arc. Then we'll put our compass in this point. We'll cut this one. Then we'll put here and cut a larger one. Then we will put in this point and cut this one. Okay, then from this one do this point and draw tangent from point A. Okay, I am making it larger so that it will look good, nothing else. Now from point P, again you will keep your compass in point P and make one arc. Keep your compass in this point, cut this one. Keep your compass in this point, cut a bigger one. Keep your compass in this point and cut this. You will get another point. Now this one is your diagram. Means tangent name you can give X, Y, A, B, C already used, P, Q. So from point A tangent is QY, from point C tangent is XY, and from point B tangent is RQ. So what you will write? From points A, B, C, tangents, okay, right here, tangents are from point A tangent name is QY, so write QY, comma, from point B tangent is QR, then from C tangent is XY. Okay, so this much you will do. Okay, complete this one. Class 10. Now see question number 9. It is written, I draw a circumcircle by drawing an equilateral triangle ABC. So we have to draw equilateral triangle ABC with the sides of 5 cm. Means each side will be 5 cm length. I draw tangent at the point at the circle at the point P. Now at point P you have to draw one tangent. You know how to draw, but again I will show you, and take a point P on it, and at that tangent we have to take point P such that AP equals to 5 cm and AP length will be 5 cm. From the point P I draw another tangent, and from point P you have to draw another tangent of the circle and I write by observing the point at which this tangent has touched the circle, and how from point B how we will draw. Then after drawing this one, you have to write what you are observing. Okay, let's start doing. So class 10, first you will take 5 centimeter. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. Then you will draw one straight line. Then you will take 5 centimeter length, keep your compass point here and cut this one and up. Then again keep it in this point, cut this one. Okay, then you will join. You will write A, B, C, and each is 5 centimeter. Write 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now for circumcircle, what you will do? You will take more than half of, this is C, more than half of AB, more than half of AB, cut up and down. Same thing, put in point C, cut up and down. Okay, after doing this, you will join this and this point. Okay, now you will take more than half of AC also, cut here and here, put in point A, cut here and here. Then we will join. Okay, now what you will do, you will take this point, intersection point, and A measurement, and you will make one circumcircle. It must touch A, B and C point. If it is touching outside or inside of any point, it means you are doing somewhere wrong. After this, what you will do, you will make one arc from the point like this. Now you will put your compass in this point, cut here, put your compass in this point, cut here, then put your compass this point, cut here. Okay, then what you will do, you will join this line with this point. Okay, it will come like this. After this, you have to take, in this tangent you have to take P point such that A and P will be 5 centimeter. So first I am taking 5 centimeter. Okay, then I am putting my compass at point A, and I am cutting this one, and I am giving name P, and it is 5 centimeter. Now from point P you have to draw one tangent. When this type of question will come, that first from draw tangent from the point A, then at that tangent take point, any point P, and from that one you have to draw another tangent. Then at that time what you will do, you will take same 5 centimeter length and put in point P and cut here. Means in circle you have to cut in circle. Okay, means I am taking point 5 centimeter, this one. Okay, I am putting in point P and I am cutting circle. So it is cutting C point. It means what is your observation, that when we are making tangent from point P, it is cutting at, or it is intersecting at point C. So what we will write, when making we are drawing tangent from P. It is intersecting at point C. Only this much you will write. Keep center O. Okay, do this one. Class 10, your homework is question number 10 and question number 11. Okay, thank you. And if you have any queries, please ask me in the given email ID nilufar.sma@outlook.com. Okay, thank you.